Hello everyone, this is Fat Biker Ari and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another product unboxing video. This is related to cycling. So safety should be our first priority when we are riding in early mornings or early night, late night. So this is another product and it's from the brand. Let me see the brand. It should be something listed here. ROHS. This is a brand. So this product is your remote steering tail light. So this is a signaling light which is I purchased a few days back. So let's start the unboxing and review of this product. So before starting, let me ask you, please do subscribe my channel for daily morning ride videos and all the product unboxing videos. So this is the box looks like from the front, and you'll be able to see the model number, that is FY, that's 1825, and this is the two actual product. This is a USB charging. From this side looks like this, remote steering tail light. You'll get all the features listed down here, so you can pause and read the instructions and everything. So this is looks like that. So let's unbox it. It's time, and here we go. So we have a user manual which we don't require, we'll be seeing lately. This is the two unit, two light, one is left, another is right, so you can combine both two lights in single one and can use it. So you have this one. What else we are having? Let's see. So we have this remote, like left, right. This one is something for, we'll check out later. We have some rings. So these two will be used to mount those two lights. You have this charging cable, and there are some other mounts as well. This one is for the two to mount separately, and this unit is used to mount both at same hook. So good quality, I mean not a very good quality plastic, but okay. So keeping this aside, we'll check these three things actually what we need. Let me turn off the lights. Before that, let's check out the light. So it has multiple LEDs on both the sides. So to turn on, you need to press this button, and look at that. Look at the lighting. So first one, and let's turn on the second one as well. If you put this side by side, it will look like this. Now light will not justify this. Let me turn off the light, and now you will see it's kind of amazing. So if I'm turning off both the lights and turning on, now let's see what the remote does. So this is the remote. Now let's press this button. So you can see it's a turning indicator. So if you are pressing this left one, it will go like that. If you are pressing the right one, it will go like that. If I'm pressing it again, both the lights will blow up. if I'm pressing this up, nothing is happening. It will turn both the lights on, and if I press it again, it will turn both the lights off. Now let's go to the bike. Let's place this both up and we will see you there. So I have turned both the lights off and now you can see the light. It's pretty amazing. Let's press the left one. Now let's press the right one. So if you can see, if you can hear the sound, the right one's sound is a bit more than the left one. Now let's press the right indicator again to turn this on a still mode. If you press this one up, now let's press the left one up, and so to turn the blinker mode on, I guess I need to press this button once, this one once, and see. So you need to play this, you need to play with this around. And if I put the blinker mode again, so this one, it will blink without making any sound. Now in this, both the lights will go alongside. Look at that. So for safety in the roads, I think this light, these things are must. So the price of this light is not pretty much. It's like I got it like for 1500 only, and I'll put the link of this lights in the comment section or in the description. So guys, that's it. And if I need to turn this thing up, need to press it again, otherwise this red thing will turn on. So that's it in the today's unboxing video. If you like this video, then please do comment your thoughts about this light, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. So ride safe, happy riding, see you in another video. Bye bye.